Hey everyone, we're here with MotoTote, and today we'll be going step by step on how to install your MTX Sport carrier system. To assemble the MTX carrier, we'll be using the provided Allen key, but to make things a little quicker, we decided to use a 5/8 and 11/16 socket wrench. First off, take your square tubing and insert it into the hitch. Now using the ZeroWobble hitch bolt, insert it into the hitch, allowing the head to recess. Now finger tighten, placing the washer first and then the nut. This should be hand tight. For your next step, we'll be taking the MTX platform and installing it onto the square tube. One thing to note, if you're using the optional LED light kit, you want to make sure that the pre-drilled holes are facing outwards. Slide the MTX platform onto the square tube, aligning the holes. In order to secure the MTX platform, we will be using big hex head bolts, 2 nuts, and 4 washers. Slide 1 washer onto each bolt and guide the bolts through the platform. Place washer on the other side and then secure with the nut. This step is very important. While tightening the MTX platform to the square tubing, ensure the gaps are closed. Don't be afraid to apply some force. The MotoTote can be configured to load your bike in either direction based on which way you place the wheel stop. Next, we will be placing the front tie-down arm into the slot of the MTX platform. Ensure that the curved section of the front tie-down arm is facing outwards. Then place the wheel stop over top. There are 3 configurations to choose from based on your motorcycle length. We will be using the shortest one. Now using 2 medium length socket head bolts and 2 nylock nuts, we'll secure the pieces. Next, we'll be placing the tire rack into position. The tire rack sits within the wheel stop. There are 2 positions based on your motorcycle length. We'll be using the shortest configuration. Now take the rear tie-down arm and place it in the slot of the MTX platform. Now using 2 medium length socket head bolts and 2 nylock nuts, we'll secure the pieces down. Using the small socket head bolt, we're now going to fasten the tire rack down to the wheel stop. Now that the 3 sections are in place, we'll begin tightening the hardware. Next, we'll be installing the ramp tab. You want to make sure this little tab is facing the rear end of the tire rack. Next, place the ramp tab in line with the linchpin receiver and secure using a long socket head bolt, washer, and nylock nut. To secure the loading ramp, align with the ramp tab and the linchpin receiver. To secure the loading ramp, we'll be using the linchpin and lanyard. Secure the lanyard to the loading ramp with the supplied key ring. place linchpin through receiver, and then click down. We will now secure the ZeroWobble hitch bolt to eliminate the shake. Ensuring this bolt is recessed is crucial to eliminating the shake. It allows the square tubing to be snugged against the receiver. The final touch is to install your square plastic end cap. Now that you've completed the assembly on your MotoTote MTX carrier, now is a good time to ensure all the bolts are snug so that it does not rattle. We will now go over the loading procedure for your motorcycle. In order to make things easier, find a location that reduces ramp angle. Align the tabs into the platform. Secure 2 tie-down straps onto your motorcycle before attempting to load. This will vary depending on the type of motorcycle you have. Once your tie-downs are secure, drape them over the handlebars for ease of access. Line the bike up with the loading ramp to begin the loading procedure. Tilting the bike towards yourself, use your body weight to help push the bike up the ramp. Having a helping hand ensures the safety of you and your motorcycle. Attach the tie-down to the front tie-down arm and ratchet tightly. Next, attach the other tie-down to the tie-down arm and ratchet. We will now secure the rear wheel so that it cannot jump out. The same results can be achieved through using a normal tie-down, but we will be using the Ace Bikes motorcycle tie-down. Now that the rear tire is secure, we will remove the loading ramp. Secure the linchpin to finish securing the load.